What is going on, traders? Does anybody know what the heck is going on right now with the NQ? I looked up the news and I can't find anything. But we just dropped about 200 points. I think we dropped about 200 points. How much did we drop here? We dropped almost 300 points. Something is going on. I don't know what, but something for sure is going on. Anybody know what's going on? Wish I could tell you. I don't know. 13. I have no clue. Man, this is nuts. Yeah, this is pretty crazy, guys. What's up, Chad? Something about Iran is your guess? Wow, Israel just attacked Iran. Is that what happened? Gold and oil took off? Yeah, man, this is insane. Yeah, I don't know what the market wants to do right now, but this looks like a good time to pass an eval. It looks like a great time to pass an eval. Let's go ahead and see if I can start the Twitch stream too. We're streaming on X right now. Start there too. I don't know how we're streaming on X, but we are, it says here. Cool. All right, whatever. All right, let's see what this market wants to do here. See if we can take any good trades. NKM futures, any news? Yeah, I think it's something to do with Iran, and I don't know why Financial Juice doesn't have anything on it right now. Financial Juice has 0 on it. I have no idea why. It says Israel launched a preemptive strike on Iran. That was 7 minutes ago. I just saw that right now on Forex Factory. Looks like we're going to get a move higher. Yeah, this is crazy. Very, very crazy. Trying to see what is going on here. What's up, DJ Toka? Shorts on the NQ? Is that what you're trying to say? 815, 816. What's our ATR right now on this? ATR is 32 on the ATR is 32 right now in the 1 minute. Crazy. $8.14, $8.15. Yeah, looking like this is going to be a continuation of the shorts. The 50 point candle right here. Yeah, looks like we could pass some juicy shorts here somewhere. Pass some evals on some juicy shorts, I mean. Yeah, staying away from now. Don't want to lose account. Yeah, I'm thinking about trading my evaluation account so we could pass an eval. $6.99. Talking about shorting $6.99. $704. See if we can get this move right here. $8.20. See if we can get this move down right here. We got one win. Staying away from Bakley Gailey. Buy? I don't know. I don't think I buy right now. I'm just trying to follow the charts right now and see what the charts are doing. Trying to see what the charts are up to. Maybe we should have left that short open. Looks like more shorts coming. Man, this price action is way cleaner than the New York session today. Trying to see if I can... You're on TopStep X too? I'm on what's it called? I am on Bulenox. Yeah, it looks like my stream's not changing. Give me a sec, guys. I'll be right back. Now we're back. We're back. We're back. Now we can change our screens. Screens were not working. OBS sometimes does that. Yeah, shorts are looking like a continuation here. It looks like a continuation. Very nice continuation here. You got caught fading CL and gold ahead of the move and lost, but made it up just now with the NQ. Nice, man. Good job. Looks like the market may want to keep going here. We got this 21 right here under the 100 period. This is, in my opinion, a good continuation. And this could be a safe place for a stop loss. That's 100 points away. That would blow the account. Basically. What's happening with the market? Oh man, Trump tweeted. That's what happened. Nah, Purple Alexa, I just came back, man. I just came back on right now because I saw this move. And I was like, what the heck is going on? I didn't even know, man. I came on the stream and you guys told me it's something to do with Iran and Israel. It looks like Israel attacked Iran preemptively, is what they're saying. It says, Israel launched a preemptive strike in Iran. Israel Minister of Defense Israel Katz declares the special state of emergency in the home front throughout the entire state of Israel. Axios Israeli defense minister says, following Israel's preemptive strike against Iran, a missile and drone attack against Israel, and it's something. Where's the rest of the post? That's it. Show more. And its civilian population is expected in the immediate future. There, see for yourselves. Crazy. Let me get back to business here, though. What just happened with the drop? It looks like it was Israeli attack against Israel, drone and missile attack. Look at the PED that has no debt with 4 new wells after earnings to break even and did get upgrade to $1.50. I'm not sure what you're talking about, Michael. If Trump was in office, it would have never happened. What's up, Caravano? Man, what is going on? This move is I guarantee we'll retrace this whole move tomorrow. Mo's probably like, oh man, I'm only up 3,000 points now instead of 4,000 points. Mo's probably like, what am I gonna do? This might make a little pop here first. Might is the key. Nice little pop here. 592. Is Mo in the house? Israel and Iran, man. Israel and Iran. Looks like Israel attacked Iran first preemptively. But the market here is having quite the move, man. Quite the move. See if we can find ourselves some opportunities here to pass a good eval. I bet Russia will jump in to help Iran. Maybe. Maybe this is the start of World War III. Who knows? Yeah, poor Rich Mo, says Chad. Oh, man. Yeah, I just happened to be back testing and I saw that drop out of nowhere in the like corner of my eye on one of the screens, and I'm like, what is that? I was like, man, I gotta go live, man. We just dropped 200-300 points. I know the guys don't want to see me till tomorrow morning, but I was like, I gotta go on live, man, find out what's going on. Yeah, this is wild, guys. Well, if you look on the chart, I think it starts around like 7. It started at 7:58. I thought it was something to do with like, doesn't like a certain market open at 8 o'clock? Doesn't like an Asian market or some market open at 8 o'clock? That's what I thought it was. I thought it was a market opening up. Thanks, Laughter. Hey, man. How you doing? Singapore. Yeah, Singapore opens at 8. Thank you for that. Keep crushing it. Oh, look at her. There she is. My beautiful wife. Don't go stalking her, guys. I'm waiting on Tradeify to put money back into the account. Yeah, I just opened an eval right now when I saw this 200-300 point move. I just opened an eval because I was like, I got to replace the one I lost today. I replaced that fund that I lost today. This could be this could give us a little pop here back into the 21. Maybe. We'll see if she has any strength. I think we see absorption happening. 612, 827, 612. It's looking kind of heavy right now. We have a lot more downside to go, to be honest. She may want to dump it even more. The market got rug pulled. Yeah. You should have went to get the food, dude. That's what will happen. You leave the screens for 1 minute. And that's what happens. Due to Tradeify, I lost my pro account and even had to close my short earlier on eval because of 50K rule. I think you'll get it back, man. I think you'll get it back. I think you'll get it back. Did they tell you you're not? Man, I gotta stop that, man. Did they tell you you're not gonna get it back? Gold is still rising? I think right now we could definitely get some good trades in, man. Cruise gushing. Gold about to pump. Thought that move would start tomorrow. Set up for FOMC. Nah, man, we got a surprise here. We got a surprise. Should I trade the YM instead, Laughter? Well, man, everything is all over the place right now. Bitcoin's down to 104. Gold's ripping higher. Oil is also ripping higher. Nice dump here. Nice continuation. Wow. That's gnarly. It's a gnarly move. How big was that candle? The candle was 53 points. 560 low volume. No, do you think, Theo? Maybe. Maybe. I think this level right here, 713, 714, we're going to wish we got short from here later today. I think this is going to be a good spot that's going to be protected. Let's see. We got some new subs. Welcome, new subs. Welcome to the family. We want happy family. Still trading under the 21. Very heavy right now. Very heavy. Only looking for shorts here. Laughter still wants me to compare the two. Like it hits that and volume dies or something. 21,480 next monthly low volume node. Maybe. I think we're going to keep riding underneath this 21, man. I think that's basically what she's going to do here for a minute. I think she wants to push down a little bit harder here, possibly. Seeing about a short here in just a little bit. Probably go short in here in the next 20 seconds. It's getting bought up. It's getting bought up again. The spread is crazy. Really? Really? How much is the spread? How many points? I don't trade evenings, but did you just see what happened? The market just dropped 300 points. So I'm trading right now. Wow, everything's working right now. Everything is working. Everything is working. All the stuff's working. Okay. Order flow is working nice. What is the spread right now? Let me go to the YM. See how the YM's doing. What's up, Ramana? Ramana, did you see what just happened, brother? It's crazy. Market just dropped 300 points out of nowhere. Well, obviously something happened, but... Someone go get Captain and Mo? Yeah. Yeah, I think it's something to do with Israel and Iran, for sure. Gold is going up. They're bringing their money into safety. Yeah, it looks that way, right? No move down here. Oh, you just posted it? Cool, man. Armana, thank you. Why can't you go long here? You can go long anywhere you want. Yeah, absolutely. The world is yours. Take a long, take a short, set it out, sit on your hands. Remember earlier today when we talked about the U.S. moving people out of the Middle East? Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. We certainly did. BTC's down 45K. What do you mean down 45K? You mean 4,500? All right, let's see what kind of move we get here next. Looks like she's grinding up higher a little bit here. Just tap the 21. Let's rip it to the VWAP. That'd be crazy. Mr. Chopperson? Yeah, that's just chopping, right? He's really trading well next to month. So we'll make NQ jealous by trading her. Oh, you are? You are? You gonna trade some Bitcoin? I might have to join you. Dakota and Jay are the only ones on the channel that pay attention to. He's long NQ right now. Smart man. Looks like she's going higher. Let's see what happens here. A little bit of a brutal pullback here. Looks like she could get the rejection here off the 21, maybe a pullback retesting this area down here. Obviously, we have a nice area up here, the VWAP. It's gonna be one of those grindy ones, huh? What a wild night. Yeah, for sure, man. Do you see this? No, I just on here because we dropped 300 points, man. I was doing some back testing when I saw this happen, and I saw this. Dakota's flat meow. You're funny. New high on oil? Wow, that's crazy, man. Gas is gonna go up, man. Gas is gonna be killer. Why are my hotkeys are not working? Strange. Mo's in the house? Mo's here. What's up, Mo? Yeah, this is looking pretty dumpy. We were asking about you, Mo. Like, where's Mo, man? Somebody call Mo. Yeah, I'm thinking this is what it's gonna be. Right over here, maybe. Can we get a dump? Looking kind of heavy here. Oh, here we go. Hotkeys. There we go. My hotkeys were disabled. I was like, what the heck is going on? The gang's here. Yeah, man. Everybody's here. So I got a limit order on at 610, 611. Let's see if we get down there. I mean, get back up there on my Bulenox eval. Oil's up 300 points from today's low. Moving into profits. Look at that dump. That's beautiful. That's the thing that, look at that. Why can't I do that on my eval? Crazy. Crazy little smack there. Beautiful. Now keep dumping. You gonna keep dumping or what? Yeah, this thing's gonna keep going. Oil trader in about a week? Man, I don't know. I'll trade anything that moves nice. I'm telling you, man. Trade garbage pail kids. I'll trade baseball cards. Whatever you got. As long as the trade's nice. Okay. Gotta look for some good shorts, man. Gotta look for some good shorts. This was a beautiful short right here. Let me show you guys a couple of shorts here that really, really played out well. I took this one. I took this one. And this one didn't work out right here. I didn't take it. I didn't take this one. This one did not work out. Kind of chopped around. Well, actually it did. If you would have put your stop up here, you would have been safe. It actually did work out. Never mind. All the shorts have worked out so far. Very nice, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We got 83 people watching. Let's see if we can pump the likes. Biggest fourth candle I've ever seen. Biggest 4-hour candle you've ever seen. Wow, really? That's pretty big. It's massive. Look at the last 4-hour candle. If that didn't give you the preemptive idea of what was happening, it's almost like the world knew, the stock market already knew something was about to happen. Look at this candle. That's crazy. That whole 4-hour absorption candle, that really told you something. Something was going to happen. Anybody trading this? I'm trying to get a eval passed. I could have passed it on this if I would have held it. If I would have held this trade, I think I took this trade somewhere in here. Yeah, almost would have passed it. I was only trading one contract because with this much size, I mean, you got ETR right now is 24. It was as high as 35. Oops. Got rid of my ETR. Still looking pretty heavy here. Nothing really showing us any strength at the moment yet. This candle's trying to break out here. Good thing I'm not wearing those nice headphones. That noise could have damaged my ears. Oil's up 9%, says Kenny. You're an oil trader, Kenny? Thank God you're not a YM trader like Lafta. Those guys are weird. The trend is down, right? Would you guys say? Just making a beeline to that 21, possibly maybe even the trend line. Astute observation. Just watching everything at the moment. Don't blame you. I think this thing's gonna dump a little more. Maybe a bounce from here. We don't have a divergence yet on the momentum with the price action. Everything is still looking heavy. You know I like him crazy, laughter. Why is the market down? It seems like Israel attacked Iran. Some kind of missile strike, drone strike. I hope you heard that. It was Israel attacking Iran. Yeah, it's pretty nuts. Pretty nuts what's going on right now. Could go pop here. Could find some support here. Oh, she did already. I was gonna say she could find some support right here. Really? Oil's up big, huh? Would that mean you can't trade the futures on it because it's up over 7% with like TopStep? Well, never mind, she said. She said, I think I'm going to go down a little bit more. Just a tad bit more. She might have another dump episode left in her. More downage. She might be popping. She might pop here before hitting that recent low she made there. But we'll see. It's capable of anything. Corn's popping, man. Corn's never disappoints. She went a little bit too low on that one. And her search for liquidity, she went just a little bit too low. Coming right back down. Risk management is the key. Beginner here. Any tips on what to start with? What's up, Poise? Is there a recommended simple strategy? There's a video down below in the description of this video that shows you my strategy, and it's very simplified. If you want to check that out, go right ahead. It's down below in the description of this video. It's my easiest STD you could learn. Smooth Trader Dynamic. If you wanna trade with STDs, check it out. It's pretty cool. Pretty easy to learn. Simplified order flow. Welcome to the channel. Elijah, welcome. Welcome, Fun. Or a few, I should say. Few Gandhi. Yeah, so if you want to learn a very simple strategy, check out the links down below in this video. In the description section, you'll see something that says my strategy, and there'll be links to YouTube videos you can watch. Yes, STDs. Smooth Trader Dynamics. Thank you, man. Can't go wrong with an STD, guys. Remember that. STDs are here to stay. Come on, baby. Let's see if we can get this pop. Maybe we'll get a pop back up into above the trend line. I think we are setting up for one. I think we might be setting up for a pop above the trend line. Oh, nice, man. That's good. $200 is good. Might be getting a little push down here, perhaps. Still feels heavy? Yeah, I know. What the heck happened? Yeah, I was saying the same thing. Israel attacked Iran. That's what we're hearing, that Israel attacked Iran. Some kind of a drone strike. Preemptive. Al Jazeera's giving out live updates. Timestamp that quote so you can make a short out of it. I will, man. I will. Thank you, man. Heading slowly towards those mini trades. God bless. Yeah, God bless you too, brother. God bless you too. Then we're getting some heavy. We might get a push down here still. We'll see. She's fighting for her life here. She's trying to stay above. She's trying to stay above this 526 level, 525 level. But we'll see. We'll see what she's made of here. Guys think she dumps it a little more. She might go to 560s, 570s. Feels like I should put in my TP 100 tick or lower. Maybe. Maybe. Trying to go for 20 points at a time myself. What key levels am I looking at? I'm looking, my first key level for a long would be right now, because we got a bullish indication here. My TP would be up here around the 560s. We'll see if this will hold though. It may not hold. It may not hold. This is very flat down here. She may come down to grab this liquidity, then to go higher. Very flat. That's what I'm thinking she may want to do. She may come down here, grab the stop, and then rip higher. That's what I'm thinking she might do. Yeah, that's what it looked like. Exactly what it looked like. We'll see what this candle does next here. We'll see what she does next. Now she goes higher, I'm sure. Heck of a liquidity grab, wasn't that? Is your mindset to buy dips or short the pops? I try to follow the momentum. I try to follow the order flow. Oh, really? There's some big drops in the currencies? That was pretty heavy. Welcome to Poise. Welcome to the team. What's up, Sam? How you guys doing? See if we can clean this up. Might be too soon. Getting some seller absorption here. Buyers are picking up the slack a little bit there. But she's still very heavy. This could get stopped out very, very quickly here. But she did grab liquidity from this first one, so maybe we get a little pop to around here. Or maybe not. Maybe she still got the heaviness. She's still got the heaviness. He's heavy Chevy. This area should hold. We'll see. Sellers are out in droves right now, though. Would like to see her clean up these imbalances in here first. before going down, but she'll do whatever she wants. Still super heavy here. Yep, look at her. Look at her. No worries, guys, no worries. That was just a paper trade. Trying to keep my hands off the eval right now. We're just taking some not so high probability trades here first. This one I did take here. Got a little push left in her. Nice. Yeah, it looks like she's going to push here a little higher. I'm seeing some absorption in here, and we had 2 manipulation moves down really quickly. She's going to come back and try to get some of those orders she left behind in here, more than likely. She doesn't like to leave too many imbalances open. Yeah, she's moving. Yeah, that drop here had some imbalances. Right up all the way up in here, so she'll probably take it right there. Are you serial? You just missed us, baby. Come on, girl. What you doing? You just missed us by the smallest little fraction. You got all your imbalances, now you're done with me? Don't let it be, girl. Don't let it be. Give us that little push back up, baby. Just a little absorption here. Bang. Take out those sellers. You got balls? I got balls along that. It's just I'm just trying to follow the order flow, man. I'm telling you. Look, if I'll show you over here on the 15-second, I saw the buyers stepping in here and taking over. So after 3 consecutive drops, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3 consecutive manipulations, you got to come up to the 21, or you got to come up to the trend line. That's what I was thinking. So it was more of a probability trade and a little bit of order flow in there too. That's the best time to long, man, when it's dumpy like that. Mr. Bowie Bowie, he's gonna get short, or he got short. Feels like, no, I'm not trying to hold that long for all day, man. I'm just trying to hold that long. See, the market loves to try to make it back to the trend line. It loves trying to make it back to the trend line so then it can manipulate the trend line. That's what it loves to do, is manipulate areas that retail likes to take trades at. Because if it can make it there, then it knows it can pick up a lot of orders. So I know if we're this far away from the trend line, after 1, 2, 3 manipulations, I know that eventually they're going to want to work their way back up to this trend line. That's all I was trying to do there. Yeah, I'm not saying it's gonna continue going higher. It could, but I'm not saying that's what I'm looking for. Ooh. This thing might rip higher. Looks like it wants to rip higher. Watch this move higher. That's what people are not expecting. Why do I think that? The Renko is printing right now. The Renko is printing a tail on this candle right here. And once it confirms, if it does confirm, it's probably going to bring us up a bit higher. If the Renko does confirm that. But anything's possible. She could give up the whole move right here. We all need to get a life, says Chad. We probably do. We probably do. We probably do. Oh, we got almost 500 views here. What's up, everybody? Thank you guys for the likes, man. I really appreciate it. She goes ripping. Yeah, she's ripping, man. What's that 555 level? Nice. I just took off like $300 or $400 on that move, that little move there on the eval. Whenever the Renko put the tail in like that, it usually gives you a nice power move. 555, there it is. Someone said something about fair value gap. I don't know what that means. This is my life right now. It says Zen Reagan. Nice name, man. Or Regan, sorry. Should change it to Reagan. Captain's in the house. Holy smokes, Captain. Yeah, I was in a trade, Captain. I was in a long. The chat confirmed it by telling me not to get long. So I was like, okay, that means gotta get long. Nice, man. Nice, good job. I'm telling you, man, the Renko don't lie. Just like these hips, they don't lie. Yeah, I think she's gonna go to VWAP now. I think she's gonna make her move to VWAP. We're all Regan. Isn't that Negan or Nogan? We are all Nogan or Negan. That's from The Walking Dead, right? Welcome, James. Welcome, Zen Zen. Man, you guys are awesome. We got 100 people viewing us right now. I didn't even put on makeup. If I knew you guys were coming, I would have put on some makeup. Es la verdad, says Chad. Yeah, you guys are awesome, man. We had a free Discord too. I forgot to pin it. Let me see if I can pin it now. Sorry about that. Yeah, if you guys want to join our free Discord, if you guys want to chat it up whenever you guys are not here, when we're not live. Good music, thank you, man. You also forgot to do your hair smooth. I know, man. Damn, you didn't do your hair. You guys are too funny. So right now on the Renko, we're about to see the 21 cross over the 100 period VWAP, which is also a very strong indication. And she's still printing some very strong levels here, some very strong, what I like to call Renko bricks. I think that's what they're called. Pretty strong moves. But now we're getting some bearish moves here on the setup here. We're getting a absorption candle, purple one. That means sellers are absorbing buyers. Not by much though. And then we got a red candle here that didn't do much. It barely moved. Looks like buyers are still kind of absorbing it. So we're probably gonna head a little bit higher still. Looks like this delta right here didn't really do much to that candle. And now buyers are absorbing selling delta. We should get a continuation of the pop. You guys are funny. Oh yeah, look at all this delta it's absorbing. That's pretty nice, man. This is probably going to give us another pop here. There it goes. Oh yeah, she absorbed a lot there. She's like the bounty, quicker picker-upper. Very nice. Very nice, man. She's pushing hard here. I would go as far to say is that she's going to go to VWAP soon. She's trading above the 21 now for the first time since this whole drop. Here she did briefly for one little doji candle, but then she came right back down. We've got now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 5 candles above the 21 now. The WAP's all the way up here, man. Look at it. 600, 660. The 100 period is at 624. These like to get together once in a while. I would say a good place to look for a long entry would be in here. Right up in here. We'll see. A lot of people got short, especially right here. Look. Look how many shorts. Shorts. Like all of this delta. Tons of red delta here. These guys got to get squeezed a little bit. ATRs will come down. Yeah, look at that. The momentum. Look at this. This is when you know we're probably going to get a pop. Momentum went up. Price went down. Momentum went up. Let's go. Divergence. Bullish divergence. Now we're kind of seeing the same thing up here. Momentarily. Momentum slowing down. Price is going higher. Kind of seeing a divergence here. Maybe we get a little pushback down. Maybe underneath the 540s. What chart program do I use? I use TradingView. If you want to see how I use these indicators, you can go to our Discord. Under my indicators, you'll see the indicators that I use. We'll see if this is going to hold. This might hold, may not. No worries. Under my indicators, you'll see them all. So if you go to our Discord and Wow, what a push. Good push here. Might want to get short on this. This is a really nice indication. Let's see if this is not just a fake out. So if you go to our Discord, you're going to see these channels here on the side, and you're going to see under info, the category that says info, down here under my indicators. You click on that, and then you'll see all the indicators that that I use and the strategies as well. You'll see them all in here. Man, the wrinkles are getting dumpy. Looks like she might want to go a little higher here, but if she does, then that means that this absorption candle we saw here, followed by this dump, was manipulation. I'm still thinking we could go lower here before we go higher. Alex MP, what's up, man? Thanks for subscribing. Flavia, thank you for being here. Now, the reason why I took this, because when we have good volume and you see sellers absorbing, when I say sellers absorbing, I mean this purple candle tells us that there were more buyers, but the sellers managed to push this price down. And then when we had a nasty dump like this, that tells me that the buyers are not only in control, but they're very strong, because this was a very high volume candle. So just to be safe, it will bring us into profits. And we'll see if we can get a continuation here. This only works when you have good volume. When you have no volume, these trades don't work. All right, we got stopped. Probably too soon. There, we should have kept our, we should have waited just a few more seconds there. Looks like now buyers might be absorbing. Thanks for the likes, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you guys for stopping in. If you guys are confused about what happened to this market, well, so am I. No, I'm just kidding. Check out the 12-minute right now. Wow, man, this was pretty heavy. This area right here is going to be really, really important. 630. This area around here, the VWAP, the price is gonna come back up here for two reasons. We got the VWAP, and we also have this absorption candle, which means there's a lot of supply here, and the market likes going back to places where there's supply and demand. So we know there's supply here, so it's probably gonna gravitate back there pretty soon because we have the VWAP and we have that. Man, I love it when there's good volume, man. Market actually obeys. The market actually obeys, man, when this happens. Can you believe it? Yeah, if you guys are trying to start trading, try out Bulenox. They have 83% off right now on their evals. I just bought one tonight. It came out to $29, I think. It came out to $29 for the eval. 50K, trade up to 7 contracts and pass in one day. That's what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to pass this evaluation so we can have another funded account. That would be amazing. I think we get just a little bit more of a push because there's imbalances in here, I'm sure. The market wants to clean this candle up. And maybe we even go to VWAP. Who knows? Could get a quick pullback, maybe higher. I'm hoping this will support the price. I bought the dip. Yeah, bought this little dip. Eval or live? Eval right now. Eval 7 at 15. I don't know what you mean. I have 7 resetting tomorrow at 15. That's what's up, Eagle Eyes. Yeah, mine's don't reset for another couple of I think another couple days or another couple, maybe a week or so. That's amazing, bro. Yeah, we bought this little dip right in here. I think the market's going to gravitate back to the VWAP here, but I'm trying to take off some bite-sized pieces here. I've got a limit long order at 523. See if we can possibly grab that. Ballsy move, you think so? I mean, look, if you backtest something enough and you've got volume and the volume is like literally there, like tonight we got volume. You see buyers absorbing, buyers taking over in a big way right here. This is a elevated volume on this candle. That means there's strength. Buyers have strength. So after I saw this, we got long, and I'm only going to take this up to here because this candle here has imbalances in it because it came down so fast. They usually like to clean these candles up sooner than later. That's why I'm just making my target right here for now. Yeah, NQ is crazy. NQ is nuts. See if she could give us a little push here. Come on, girl, don't be like that. Yeah, she does have a bit of a spread on her, doesn't she? I can see right here. She has at least like a 2 to 4 point spread. Oh, that's nasty. Don't be like that. Push it, baby girl. Push it higher. There she goes. Very nice. You need to talk to her pretty smooth? I just did, man. Yeah, don't play any PAs right now. I'm just trading an eval. I'm just trading an eval, man. Yeah, I'm telling you, when there's volume, dude, when there's volume, when the market has volume, order flow works. But when there's no volume, order flow will never work. All they're going to do is the contrary of what it should do. Because everything is manipulation at that point, and they're just trying to grab liquidity from wherever they can. It's almost like a chicken with no head, just running around trying to grab from here, grab from there, grab from here, grab from there. It makes no sense. It makes no sense. But when you have beautiful, clean volume, you can make money. Oh, Mo, man, you shouldn't have done that, brother. I'm a changed man since Smooth shared his STD with me. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, man, it's Smooth Trader Dynamics, man. It'll change your life. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, brother. Too bad it's not like that every day because we don't get good volume. We don't get good, clean volume every day. Mo, you're too much, man. One day when I find out your address, man, I'm gonna send you something. I'm gonna send you a singing telegram and some merch, some Smooth Trader merch. Nah, I don't give out the real STDs, man. I save those for my my mentees, my one-on-one mentees. If you guys want my 2025 STD mentorship, let me know. Mo is outside watching you now. Imagine. Mo just came from Canada. He's been knocking on the door of every house in Naples. He's like, "Is this smooth? Some smooth here? Is there a smooth here?" Imagine. That's hilarious. Too funny. Is this a good time to buy? Depends what your prerogative is. If you want to buy for the next level up, I can't tell you what trade to take, but I'll tell you what trade I would take next. This is the trade I would take next. Okay. Right now we're getting a bearish absorption candle. This is a purple candle. If this candle here turns red, then we're probably going to get a pullback maybe to the 21. If it stays purple or goes green, then more than likely it's going to continue higher. So let's see what happens here. Still purple. That means sellers are still absorbing buyers. Okay, it's turned red on us. All right, so let's go and sell this. Stop loss here. TP 1,200 bucks. Let's see if we get 1,200 bucks with this. Could get wrecked. Could get wrecked, but we don't know. Come on, girl. Show them what you made of, baby. Show them what you made of, baby. A lot of times these candles get cleaned up and then reverse. I have a feeling this one could get a little bit more of a push, maybe to the 21, maybe to here. Once we get to the 21, I'll move her to break even. But I think she can get a little bit more of a push. The objective is to go higher, though. I will be honest with you. The market wants to go higher because she wants to squeeze these shorts down here. She wants to squeeze them. And she wants to get up to the VWAP. So I'm not trying to hold this trade more than a 1-to-1. Or maybe perhaps even a little bit less than a 1-to-1. Is this Webull? No, this is TradingView. What size should you trade on a 150K? I don't know. I've never traded a 150K. I've only traded 50Ks. I used to trade three minis on 50Ks. So I guess I would trade 9 minis on 50Ks. I don't know. But those are for evals. If you're trading PAs, I would be more conservative with that. I mean, if it was me, I would trade one with a 50K. So that means with 150K, I would probably trade 3. Let's see if we get the nasty push here. Do you have videos on the candle formation you're using? Yeah, they're in the description of this video. They're in the description. They're in the description. All right, looks like we're bouncing from the VWAP. I mean, bouncing from the 21. But I have a feeling she could still She can still push a little more, but we'll see. She's getting heavy. Do you think the market could be 1,000? Negative 1,000? Oh, you mean like we lose 1,000 points tonight? I mean, it's possible. Yeah, I have videos down in the description of this video. I'm sorry, I have links to videos in the description of this video on the strategy I use with these colored candles and where you can get the indicators. The indicators are all free on TradingView, by the way. Where's your stop loss, Mo? This could push higher. Buyers absorbing, buyers taking over. This could give us a little push here to the upside. We should have probably TP'd up to 21 on this, but it's all good. $50K says the market will open up break even. 20,800. Wow, you got a way to go, man. You got a ways to go. You're pretty safe, buddy. Yeah, the market is inching her way up there, isn't she? Look, we're at the 100 EMA. I'm sorry, 100 VWAP, 100 period VWAP right now. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, imagine if she did. Imagine if she ripped it up 300 points. Could you guys imagine that? Could you even fathom? Gen Zs don't know nothing about this song. Yeah, Mo and I like to listen to this song when we hang out. This level here would more than likely hold if we do get a move back down. Right now she's absorbing and buyers are taking over. Sellers are absorbing, but buyers are getting stronger. Have a little fun. Richie. Smooth tunes, all things Trump. What's up, all things Trump? Good evening. Most funny. Pulp Fiction soundtrack? Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'll get extra copyright strike for that one. I get stopped here. Can we pass funded challenges with trade signals? No, I don't do trade signals. These funded firms might catch us for copying trades and cancel our withdrawals. Yeah, no, you don't want to do trade signals, man. You definitely don't want to do that. What you want to do is find a strategy that works for you, and then work on your setups and your mindset, man. That's more important than any signal. Way more important than a signal. So you may want to retest this level, the 555, before doing anything. Sellers are absorbing. Sellers are still pushing here. Could get a nice push down. I don't even know where one gets trade signals. I know there's some Telegram groups that do it and some Discords that do it. I wouldn't be able to do that, man, because I'm not a good trader as it is. I wouldn't want you guys losing your money. You gotta be in order for you guys to get trade signals, you gotta be an exclusive member of my STD club. If you're an exclusive member of STDs, then you might get a signal. Yeah, the different color candles represent different volume. Green is big volume to the upside. Pink is big volume to the downside. Yellow is absorption. Bulls are absorbing sellers. Purple is sellers are absorbing buyers. That's kind of what that means. The baby blue here is moderate volume to the upside, and then there's some black ones too that are. I know there was one around here somewhere. Yeah, these black ones here, these are moderate volume to the downside. This one here is black, but I have a little circle around it. Market might want to continue down, man. See, it's getting pretty heavy here. You know, a lot of seller absorption. Well, if not down, then maybe to the 555 level we spoke about earlier. T-Man says the indicator's not working on your chart. Did you watch the video? No worries, man. I'll explain as much as I can. I've got a couple explainer videos to go along with it, man. I mean, if it's the colors that you're looking for, the colors you got to change on your own. It's about to be 10 o'clock already. That's crazy. Futures down 1%. What's up, PD? Only bad trader sell signals. I'll sell you a turn signal. Yeah, thanks for the likes, guys. What's up, Juan Restrepo? Thanks, all things Trump. Love the name, man. Yeah, looks like we're going to get a pump here. Looks like we're going to get a good ripper of a pump here. I'm going to take this long. I'm going to wait for the 1 minute candle to close, and I'm going to take this long here. If it's green. If it's green. Let's see. You guys think she may want to come back here first? I'm thinking she may want to come here first, but it's hard to say because we have seller absorption here. There's a lot of supply here right now. She's looking mighty strong, but we've got a good volume. Does she come down first? I've been traumatized by the price action lately. She might come down first, then come higher. Is the ATR dying down on us? ATR is at 14 now? Oh man, she's dying down. I don't like it when she's getting weak. Oh, the indicator is showing an error. Oh, look at Chad C. He has very nice things to say. I swear I did not pay him for my SCD proceeds. Thank you for that, Chad. Appreciate it. Yeah, check out the videos, and if you're still having problems, DM me on the Discord. I'll try to help you out. Yeah, I'm almost done with my course, Trust Futures, my SCD course, where I teach you guys about hindsight trading, DCAing into infinity, also revenge trading 101. We also talk about, oh man, this was a nice storm. Man, these are actually working and I'm over here worrying about them. Oh man, shit, man, I missed it, bro. Missed it. Okay. See if she comes back to clean that up. Yeah, I'm also working on a module there where we talk about you can't lose a trade if you don't use a stop loss. A lot of people don't realize that, but if you do not use a stop loss, you can't lose a trade. You literally cannot get stopped out. That's also very exclusive for the VIP members. And then we have one that says if you lose a trade, you just got to keep doubling. If you want to use a stop loss, then you just got to keep doubling your trade every single time. And you'll eventually get it, but you got to do it in a strategic way, the STD way. So I'm almost putting the finishing touches on that program. You guys won't be disappointed, man, I'm telling you. I trade pre in New York Open. I like the action, but you know, this is NYC. Yeah, we trade to New York together too. I'm just on here because we saw this 300-point drop. That 300-point drop got my attention. I was like, I think we need to jump on here. Probably go to 660. Yeah, perhaps. Trying to see if we can get into this trade here at 590. She might be gone. She might be gone. See, now that we have good volume, I don't trust the price action. Because I've been hurt so much by this choppy price action we've been having that when you get good price action, I'm traumatized. Like we had the buy signal here. We had the sell signal here that worked. We had the other buy signal right here. We even had a sell signal here that would have worked too for a 1-to-1, right here, 1-to-1. Sell signal right there. Beautiful buy signal right in here. Oops. Beautiful buy signal right in here. So buy signal worked out. Sell, I'm sorry, sell signal worked out. Buy signal worked out. This was another sell signal here. So this sell signal kind of worked. It almost gave you a 1-to-1. I still call it a winner. Buy signal worked, sell signal worked, buy signal worked. This is what I'm talking about. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. When the volume is working for you, when the volume is there, the trades work, man. Trades work when the volume is there. Another sell signal right here. Unbelievable. There was one loser here, one buy signal loser. But I mean, come on, 1 out of like 10 trades. This is crazy. I'm not used to this anymore. The market's been so choppy. ZZ Reagan, are you talking about my STD course? You want to be on the waiting list? The early bird special, man, gets a special deal on the STD course. Martingale, that's what it's called. My Martingale. You guys don't want to miss the Martingale module. That one's really gonna make you or break you, man. The Martingale. You guys want an exclusive Martingale trader. Just gotta keep doubling, make your money back, and then some. Yeah, I can't believe we're almost at the VWAP, man. No, it seemed like we were so far away when we were here. And then it just went. Juan said he did a Martingale once and lost his account. That's hilarious. But you haven't tried the STD Martingale. There's nothing like it, man. There's nothing like it, I'm telling you. Wow, she just missed me. It's picking up steam here. See this black candle? That means that they're picking up volume. I have a feeling she's going to want to drop a little more. See if we get an initial pop here. I think she's going to want to drop maybe to this level, the 555 level. Even though she still looks strong. We'll see here. If I see one for YouTuber shilling prop codes, I'm going to freak out. What does that mean? Trust features. If I see one for YouTuber shilling prop codes, I don't get it. It's still, man, I don't know how to get rid of that, man. I really don't. And I'm telling you, I've been trying to get rid of that alarm. Play sounds and executions. I took it off. It's not even on. Look at it. I don't have it on. How can I get rid of it if I don't even have it on? It's the alarm clock? I went to the alarm clock, dude. I don't even have it on here. Alert volume is off. It's not on, man. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't have it on. This is very strange. Maybe I gotta take it off over here too. Okay, I think I got it now. I think I had to take it off on my other screen also. That should work this time. All right, we got a little bit of support in this level here. A little bit of support. A little support here. And then the final line in the sand would be here. We'll see here. Sorry about that, Vapor. It was, yeah, I've been trying to get it turned off, but I think I got it this time. I think I got it, man. Somebody told me earlier that it wasn't as loud anymore, but it seems like it still is. So we're trading under the 21 again. If you guys haven't noticed here, we're trading under the 21. That's a pretty bearish sign, but we might get a little bit of a pop here. We'll see. Why is it dumping? Iran? Yeah. Israel attacked Iran. That's where we're getting this huge move down. Yeah. Thanks for all the likes, guys. I really appreciate it. It helps out the stream. Thank you guys so much. No, we don't always stream at this time. We just streamed tonight because I don't have my daughters with me today. And I saw that 300-point move. So I was like, oh, let me make the most of my time. I was just back testing some strategies and I'm like, oh, well, I'm on the computer anyway. Let's go live. Yeah, we got a lot of people watching. Let's see if we can get the likes up. Thanks a lot, guys. We can do better. That's funny. I think we might get a pop here. We could. This is looking pretty good. Good clean price action here. So Charles, you say you like the idea of using CVD on your chart? Yeah, me too. TradingView displays always displays it so weird. I haven't found one CVD indicator on TradingView that I liked. This was the only one I can stomach. I've been toying with the idea of using exo charts again. I used to use exo charts back in the day to look at the CVD. I'm not sure if that would help me. I'm gonna probably play around with it and see if it might. Yeah, I'm about to cut out in a little bit too. I think I'm trying to see if I can get a fill in at 574. I have a limit order at 574 on my eval. This one looks like it's about to take off. Armando looks like likes his CBD with THC. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. Which indicator does Matt use? I don't know. I know Matt likes to use the CVD indicator he has on the Sierra charts, but it looks a lot different. It's more technical. It kind of looks like the one ExoChart has. She's halted here. Oh man, we're losing volume. She's down to an 11 now on the ATR. As we start losing volume, it's gonna get pretty ugly. What's up, Mystic Rick? How you doing, brother? Yeah, thank you guys for subscribing, man. A lot of you guys who are just jumping on for the first time tonight. We usually go live at 9:15 during the New York session. So if you guys aren't working or if you guys are trading during those hours, tune in. We'd love to have you part of the crew. Armando's also putting together a poker night pretty soon for us to play on Discord. We usually live stream those poker nights too, where we can hang out with each other, ask questions, win prizes, eval giveaways, all that good stuff. Yeah, Mo's my boy, man. He's a good guy. If you guys want, we could play Street Fighter while we wait. I think Mo says he's down. Mo likes to play. I'm just kidding. We'll do that on poker night. That's usually what I do when I'm done. At the end of the day, I'll play a little bit of retro video games here. Hang out with myself for a little bit. Yeah, poker night and Street Fighter, legit. Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, Captain, why wouldn't you? I mean, it's not like we're not like on there 24/7, yapping, but whenever we want to post something or we want to laugh at something or share something, we are on there. We're definitely on there. Oh man, yeah. Looks like the volume kind of dried out, guys. Volume dried out a bit. All this was really nice volume. Here it's just kind of died out. Oh, it looks like she's gapping between candles. That's how low the volume's getting. We're getting gaps. We're going straight down, you think? This does look like a bear flag. And this is an absorption candle. If this turns red right here, I would say a short is not a bad idea. Oh, please do, Captain. That's what it's for. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Yeah, look at the volume is drying out so bad. The delta is just not even existent right now. Yeah, to heat up a baked potato. That's what's up, man. Getting those carbs in. What's going on, George? Thanks for stopping in, brother. Yeah, I'd like to see your ideas too, Captain. I think we can get a pop here. Remember, we got VWAP over there. And then we've got also the... What do we got down here? I don't know what we have down there. We have levels. Welcome, Bradley. Thanks for stopping in, brother. Love to have you here, man. Yeah, there we go. There she goes. Bounce right off the 20 SMA. We also have here, this area is a demand zone because we saw that there was absorption here earlier. So that's why I drew this line here, because I felt like this area was going to hold some demand. But we'll see if it holds. I like the size of this candle, man. I'm starting to get that volume back in. As you can see, the delta picking up too. Butter and garlic, nice, man. You know what I did once? I took a baked potato. I took a potato and I stabbed it with a fork a bunch of times. And then I rubbed it with olive oil and I sprinkled some salt on it. And then I put it in the air fryer for, I think, 20 minutes. Oh my God, that potato came out so good, brother. You gotta try that. You gotta try that. All things Trump. I'm just gonna call you Trump. Oh man, I'm telling you, some olive oil, some pink Himalayan sea salt. Very good, man. Very good stuff. Hermana's about to make dinner, in case anybody's hungry. See you guys tomorrow, says Eagle Eyes. He's got to give those Eagle Eyes some rest. Yeah, I wasn't expecting a sideways action for this long. That would have been a winner too. This one here would have been a winner. Just about, like 1 point shy. Actually, I think it would have been good. So, yeah, it was good. 18 points. We got 16.5. I think I'm gonna take off in a little bit. I think I'm gonna wait for this trade to play out. Whether this trade goes to VWAP or this trade goes down here to Hades, one or the other. I'm also trying to see if I can put some trades on my eval, but I missed a couple here for the lack of conviction. Take care, Captain. If this candle ends up turning green, it's probably going to bring us back up. If she stays purple or red, we might drop down here. Yeah, she's going purple. She's going red. There she goes. There she goes. Watch the pop from 555. Could get a pop from 555. No, not yet. Yeah, for sure. Take care, Captain. No, it's just a liquidity grab. Is that the 20 EMA? I thought you said SMA. This dotted line is 100 period VWAP, and this pink line is the 21 SMA. Pretty sure it's an SMA. No, it's an EMA. Sorry, EMA. I don't know why I said SMA. 21 EMA, the pink line. And then this is the 100 period VWAP. That's a regular VWAP. Probably get stopped out here if we dip under this demand level. Not surprised. I closed my trades 10 minutes before it nuked after being in that sell all day. I even said in here I was in, oh my God, Phantom Nexus. Sorry to hear that, man. How do I see the market is going? I think it's gonna do what everyone doesn't expect it to do. Someone said in here that watch it open up flat tomorrow. That's the most unlikely thing. Is the most likely thing NQ would do. Would it pass your eval? Yeah, I'm sure. The market will do the most unlikely thing. That's what's gonna happen. Thanks, Gabriel. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, it looks like she's about to cliff here. Look at his wackiness. You sure is wacky, girl. You sure is wacky. Take care, Amana. Thank you for stopping in, brother. Sell the rumor, buy the news, or vice versa. Yeah. Thoughts on using equilibrium in a SMC edge? I'm not familiar with either one of those strategies, to be honest with you, brother. Take care, Elijah. Yeah, I'm not familiar with either one of those strategies. The only strategy that I do, what do I trade on? I trade on prop firms, Project X, Trade of 8, Trading View here when I'm trading my live account sometimes. If not, I use Weeble's live account, Weeble's platform. Weeble has a nice platform too. thing's about to drop like a rock. Yeah, I'll explain to you my strategy though. I'm not sure if you were here earlier, but I use order flow. So when I see absorption followed by follow through, I take a position. So for instance here, we saw buyers absorbing sellers with a follow through. Like right now, we've got something really nice here. That's follow through. Yeah, this is what I want to see on a trade. See if we can give a little push there. So what we have here, this is sellers absorbing. You see this purple candle? Sellers absorbing, followed by a red candle. That means the sellers took over, because this is sellers absorbing buying pressure. Sellers took over, but not only took over, but they took over with some volume, like some really heavy volume. Because of that, I feel like the momentum can continue. The momentum to the downside, very likely chance, very high chance that the momentum will continue to the downside. So that's why I took a short on this. I also took it on my eval, and I took profits on the eval already. But on here, I'll leave it a little longer just while I explain to you. So when you see sellers absorbing buying pressure, followed by a nice red candle, that tells me that the order flow is in the downward direction. You know, I could do it this way, or I can do it this way. This way is a whole lot harder to read the order flow. I can use this. I can also use Bookmap, you know, and this you really have to get really granular and really study this stuff. But I like it much better on the candles. The candles tell me what I need to hear, what I need to see, and then when I need to look at the delta, I open it up on here and I look at it on here. So it's kind of the way I do it. That's my strategy. Right now, she's looking pretty strong. So looks like she wants to pop back higher. We just missed the TP here. I'm not really stressing it though, because this is just my demo account. I do this just to showcase the trades that I'd want to take. But I actually took that on my eval. I took profits on the eval though. I took profits right here around like 540. Now, when I see, I'm going to tell you real quick, another strategy. When I see the 21 cross under the 100 period VWAP, I try to find the first bearish indication, such as like right here, sellers absorbing. And I like to hold these and then trail it with a stop. As you can see, when you have the 21 cross under the 100 period VWAP, it's very, very powerful. There's many occasions when this has played out in both directions, to the upside and the downside. Looks like they still want to push down further. I don't think they're done yet. We'll see. Your daily trading target 600. Wow, your account went from almost blown to 465. That's beautiful, brother. Yeah, the Bulenox accounts are perfect for beginners. They're easy to pass. You can pass in one day. You don't have to mess around with them for 5 or 7 days or anything like that. You can pass them in one day. You can full port. Thanks, Eric Windstock. Appreciate you. They're definitely good for beginners, man. Definitely good for beginners. Welcome to Team Massive. Appreciate you subscribing. That's your only funded account? Man, good thing you kept it alive, man. Too scared, Mr. Boy? Yeah, take care, man. Long wake down. She's gonna keep going here. No worries, brother. Rexus FX, what's up, brother? Have I seen gold? I'll check it out. Yeah, she's strong. Look, let me show you. The 21 hopping above the 100 period VWAP. Find the first bullish indication, which is right here. Bulls absorbing. You set a long right here, and you just trail the stop. You trail it. Trail it. You probably would have got stopped out over here, but that would have been... That would have been about 18 points on gold, man. Almost 19 points on gold. Beautiful trade that would have been. Beautiful trade. Very nice. It happens with every asset, man. Let's look at oil real quick. Okay, let's look at oil. Same thing here with oil. You find the first bullish indication here, which is why do I have no CBD here? Okay, there we go. I look for the first place where buyers start absorbing. After we get a after we cross over, 21 crosses over the 100. We have this one right here. Sellers start absorbing here, and look what happens shortly after. Bang, all this volume, right? So you put a stop under here, and you just trail this sucker. Trail it. You would have still been in the game here. Next stop here. Trail it here. You'd still be in this trade. Holy smokes, man. Oil is jumping. Yeah, oil is jumping. And then when it comes to just order flow trades, I just do a 1-to-1. That's crazy. Can't believe that. That's great, man. How do you get into 100 period VWAP? The 100 period VWAP, I use an indicator here on TradingView. It's this one right here. It says VWAP with standard deviation bands made by PMK07. So what it does for me is not only does it give me the 100 period VWAP, but it also gives me these standard deviations that shows me how far I am from the actual VWAP. From the actual VWAP, not from here. So let me show you what I mean by that. So let's go to the 30-minute. So right here on the 30-minute, you can see that the VWAP is this green. The VWAP is this green. Let me take this off right here. VWAP is this green line right here, right? So the further you go away from the VWAP, the better the trade is back to the VWAP, because price always tends to revert back to the mean. So if you're all the way up here in a third standard, fourth standard deviation, that's an amazing place to hold a short down to VWAP. Same thing here. If you're in a very low standard deviation away from VWAP, it's a great place to get long and hold to VWAP. That's why I was telling you guys here, a trade into the VWAP would be very nice if we can get that. But it looks like she's not ready to go there yet. So it gives you that, and it also gives you the 100 period VWAP if you want as well, which is really cool. You can actually change it. You can make that any period you want. So in here where it says 100, you can change that to anything. You could change that to 20, 60, 50, 1,000, whatever you want. 100 works pretty good though. Yeah, 100 works really well. You feel mugged? Oh, that sucks, Mr. Bui Bui. What's a good level on the NQ to buy? 0. If you can get NQ at 0, that'd be amazing. How many funded accounts? I had 3 this morning. Now I have 2. Yeah. Got long on gold, complicated your trading day? Good level to buy NQ. We'll check it out in just a second. This is a 1 minute chart I have on the screen right now. How long have I been trading? 4 years, 2 years with crypto, Bitcoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum. I was trading leverage trading, and then I've been trading with NQ futures for 2 years. 557 was 557. Oh wow, this is a good place to get it. Oh man, this was a good place. Good place to get long? Not here. I'll tell you where is a great place to get short. If I were looking for a trade, I would be looking for... What the heck? If I was looking for a trade, I'd be looking for a short in here. The reason why is because there's a major absorption area in here. Really heavy absorption. And let's check out the trend line too. Come back in here. If we come back in here soon, sometime in here, this would be a good place to roll over. Now, as far as a long goes, we did have a little absorption and we did have a little demand in here. Not much, but there was something here. So she could use this as a possible level here to hold. Yeah, just watch it. We have the 21. We also got this trend line, and we got a demand. We got a supply area here as well. We'll see. Thanks, Rexus. I appreciate you subscribing, man. Done for the night. Past 250K combine. Beautiful, Larry. Beautiful, man. Yeah, welcome to Lazaro. Thank you for being here, brother. All right. Looks like we might end up getting a green candle here. If we do, it'd be a good inclination to take a short, small long, maybe back into this area. We'll see. We got a red candle here. She might still be dumping. Right now, you're seeing absorption. Buyers absorbing, sellers absorbing. Right now, they're battling at this area right now. Whatever candle ends up coming up after these clear out, whether it's a green candle or if it's a red candle, that's who's going to take the next move in that direction. So it looks like we got a red candle. So we'll be selling a little bit more. Yeah, big time. It's going to be a high volume candle soon. There we go. I could have caught this trade once that purple candle turned red. I could have caught it then. It would have been a little premature, but still would have been a better entry. But sometimes I like to wait for the candle to close completely. And we'll see if we can get that follow through down here to the 498, maybe 500. It'll go back up to 21,498. You mean back down? Because that price is underneath where we are now. Yeah, I think you got a record number of viewers right now, guys. That's amazing. God is good, man. Is 630 contracts on 2150? Yeah, then that's where we go next. Yeah, no problem. Thank you for being here, Shawnee. Yeah, that could be a good place to get long. All I know is I want to be short into it. Man, you guys are awesome, man. Thank you guys for stopping in. Oh yes, there's some supply zones on a 5-minute NQ trading below 457. No, we don't trade every night. I only do it when it's crazy volume like this. I'm trading NQ futures. Subbed? Thanks, Max. No other NQ channels worth watching for candlestick trading? Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Oh my God, check out oil. We'll check out oil. We just saw 500. We saw 500. Ah, we got her. Man, that was nasty. That was nasty, man. Oil's ripping. It's ripping. Right now she'll keep going higher right now because we got bullish absorption followed by a big volume candle here. Buy oil, man. Buy oil. When the volume is here, man, I'm telling you, the market will do what you want it to do when the volume is here. When you don't have volume, you want to change your profession. You want to become a Chipotle burrito wrap specialist. But when the volume is good, there's nothing better than trading, man. What's Rhythmic or Project X? Wow. Yeah, you're right about those 400 levels. Yeah, you don't want to use Rhythmic because Rhythmic will you will need to use a platform like NinjaTrader, Sierra Charts, or Quant Tower, Motive Wave, and you got to pay for those. You can use the free versions, but they're not that good. Use Project X. It's the best one. If you're buying Bulenox, use Project X and use code SmoothTrader with no spaces. That'll hook you up with the best discount. Yeah, welcome to Lorenzo Nunez. Welcome to Max. Welcome to Blake Balaki. No, just kidding. Blake, first time here. Liked it. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. It says it is CL. This is the truth, brother. Says Mar. At daily highs, Jan. How do you know our intraday trailing with TPT? I don't know, man. I don't really trade TPT too much, but I would assume you're using I would assume that you're using Tradeify, right? Yeah, I appreciate the likes, man. We're almost up to 200 viewers and 100 likes. That's amazing. Use Ninja when purchasing evals for Bulenox. Yeah, you can use Rhythmic. I personally like, and a lot of other people too, they like Project X is so cool, man. If you guys ever get a chance to use it, it's really good. It's very good. Blake Oshana Hennessy. Remember that? That's so funny. Balaki, O'Shea, Hennessy. So keep. Oh man, so we keep helping God's people learn how to trade, man. I hope so, man. I hope that's what my next chapter of my Project X is very easy to use. This is Project X right here. So if you want to, man, Project X is so easy to use, dude. So easy, very simple. And I'm telling you, it's really receptive too. Very receptive. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see if we can look at the 1 minute again here. We got a 33-point pop already from the bottom here, and she's pushing hard. She stopped at 471. Yeah, Project X is cool, man. You can ask anyone, they'll agree. Currently trading prop shop trading. How do you like it? Have a good session. Head into bed. Take care, man. I'm about to leave in a minute too. Trading a 200 with Bulenox, the lockout feature saved my life. Oh yeah, man. Lockout is great. Something just beeped. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry that this thing keeps beeping, man. I don't know what to do. Oh man, we got stopped out on oil. You gotta set me up on oil. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm for the life of me, I don't know how to turn the volume off. Maybe I gotta do it on all my charts. I don't get it though, because I'm on this chart. Sorry about that loud noise, guys. I don't know how to turn off the chime. Yeah, a lot of people like Project X here. And I think this move is going to head back up to 560s at least, maybe even VWAP. For you inverted fair value gap people, you got one right here. You got a little inverted fair value gap right there. Welcome to S. Nalsey. Cliff, what's up, brother? I like it when the Nasdaq cliffs. What login do I use for Project X when pairing with Bulenox? You use the same one that you're gonna find on your dashboard. So the dashboard on your Bulenox, your dashboard, it'll give you a login and password, and then you're gonna go to this projectx.com. And then you're going to click where it says Bulenox. You'll go here and click here. And then it'll take you to your login. And then you'll log in right there. You're dead? Huh. Yeah, you got to message them if you need to switch in the Project X. You got to message them. Yeah, take care, Larry. You have to request the switch first. Yeah, you do. You have to email them. Yeah. So this move here is pretty strong. I will show you something real quick here. This is how you know the bounce. This is how you know the bounce is going to be real. Usually the bounce is real when you get a divergence. At the moment right now, we don't have one. We don't have a divergence. It doesn't mean that it can't go up a little bit. It is going up a little bit. I think she's going to test this area and possibly roll over again. But when we see a divergence, that's when we see the true bottom, more than likely. Right now we don't. So there's probably more room to the downside. Doesn't always have to be that way, but a large percentage of the time it is that way. What's up, Lena Pena? Thanks for stopping in. Or as I say, Lena. My fault. A 550 retest is possible? More than likely at this point, I think. You mean 550 to the upside? Yeah, I think we could go to 545, 550, sweep this liquidity, and then roll over again. That's kind of what I'm thinking here. That's not the RSI. That's an indicator called the Red K. If you guys want to find out about it, you can watch the video on my Discord under indicators. The Discord is free, by the way. Check out the video and I show you guys how to use it. It's a momentum indicator and it also uses, I have a lot of the things turned off on it, but it gives you a lot of really good information. And let me see if I can turn on some of the settings for you guys to show you. I turned off the candles. Yeah, I turned off all the candles. Yeah, so this is what it normally looks like, and what it does is it gives you it gives you what's called in trading there's this theory that's called the result from the effort and the result. So when you have big the shaded part. The shaded part of the candles is your effort, and then the entire candle is the effect. So when you have, let's say, little effort and a big candle, that means there's not a lot of volume, not a lot of buyers in the market. When you have a lot of effort and very little result, that means you're getting bogged down. Like, for instance, let me show you, like right here, big effort, almost no candle. This is telling you that you're getting bogged down and the move might roll over. So let's see what happened on that particular candle. So that candle was right here. So it showed there was a lot of effort coming in on this candle, but not a lot of result. So there's a lot of buyers, but the sellers are holding them down. So what happened a little while later? Got this rollover right here. So you can tell the sellers were really heavy. Again, right here, check this one out. This one's a better example. This one right here at 1028. The 1028 candle, which was this one. Yeah, this one right here. A lot of effort, very little result. And at 1028, I think that was the one that I pointed out earlier. Yeah, here it is, 1028. So if you look at that candle, a lot of effort, very little result. What happened right after that? You got all that. So yeah, I mean, every indicator has its pros and cons. I try to keep this stuff off because I use also the momentum here. This is a momentum indicator. So I like keeping the momentum indicator on here a little bit more than anything else, because I use the delta for this kind of stuff. So I don't really need to have it on. I don't need to have it on. It's kind of overkill because I have delta up here. So I have delta here and I have, you know, that there. It's too much. Too much stuff. Can you check out ES? Sure, I'll check out the ES. Yeah, we're getting that move back down possibly. Thank you. ES. Here you go, brother. Here is the ES. What would you like me to do? You want to see what she's capable of right now? Okay, she's got the same fate as the NQ right now at the moment. Not much going on here, but what I will tell you is this one looks a little, ES looks a little better because the ES actually did get a slight divergence on this move here. We had a lower low. You can see this lower low on price. We did get that lower low, but we got a slight higher low here on the momentum. You see that? Because of that, this makes me feel a little bit better about the ES than the NQ, even though they move in tandem. Okay, we're chopping to 21, man. We're chopping to 21. So what I would do is I probably wouldn't get long on the ES until the 21 gets above 59.48. That's the 100 period VWAP. If we can get the 21 to get above that, then I would say it's better for a long. Right now, she's chopping sideways, and that's anybody's guess. I have my assumptions about the NQ that it still could go further down. Same thing could happen to the NQ here. I mean to the ES here. Not really seeing that much strength right now. I am seeing a lot of sideways action. And the delta has really died down. I personally wouldn't take any more trades right now. The way it's moving, wait for some big moves up or down. That's what I would do. I'm not telling you what to do, but that's what I would do. So let's see what's up. Yeah, it's almost 11 o'clock. That's crazy. We got 100 likes, guys. Almost 200 current viewers. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Let's see if we can find something to trade here. There's really nothing. There's no setup at the moment, guys. I'm not just here, boring you guys. I'm just trying to see if I can. I don't want to just take a trade just to keep you guys entertained. I want to find something good. 507 looks like it was good. The Renko chart is showing me that we do have some pretty heavy sell pressure in here, and she's pushing down pretty hard. 1054, 1054, 1055. You think so, Raphael? 475, right? There's 205 at 475. She could do it. Thanks, Shawnee. Appreciate it. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate that. We'll see if we can find a good entry, though, because I don't want to encourage you guys just to take wild trades just because you're bored. Board trades are not the best, man. I mean, some people do well with it. They just enter a trade willy-nilly and just leave it until it gets into profits, but it never works well for me. I'm only taking paper trades, waiting for until the next week until I get paid so I can purchase an eval. Cool, man. Sadly, I blew up. I funded 50K. Yeah, I did that today too. It was up 1,200 and you lost it. Sorry to hear that, brother. Yeah, so I'm thinking this area right here could have some supply, and we roll over. Yeah, she could start ripping. We don't know. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, you'll get it back, Max. If she breaks 470, she's going to 400 next. Isn't it, Nathaniel? Yeah, I think so. I don't see why not. Let's look at the higher time frames and see if there's anything that we can keep our eyes on. Oh, we came right into this level here, that 472 from here. Huh, that's why she stopped there. Next level that we could possibly see some support is down here, man, in the 200s. Last week's low is at 161. Look at that. You guys think we'll wake up there tomorrow? I would not be surprised. 161 is a target, man. Underneath that, we've got 20,729. Yeah, 161. I don't really see a reason we can't go there. 161. It won't be a straight shot, but we'll eventually get there. Yeah, we're starting to get some pretty. This is what I want to show you guys. We're getting some gaps in between the candles. That means that our volume has dried up big time. You'd be surprised, Balaki. You'd be surprised, man. Yeah, I like that. I like that, Max. The Lord gives and the market takes. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Absolutely, man. Damn, man, you were 30 bucks away from payout and you lost it? That's not good. Is your name Sensei? Is that how you pronounce it? It sounds like it. Shoni says I have it bouncing off my negative 0.5 fib from Wednesday's high to this morning's overnight low. That's cool, man. Really cool name. Yeah, never trade emotional, man. Never trade emotional. Yeah, we're starting to gap here. Yeah. They can do this very easily. They can bust out these crazy looking candles when the volume has dried up. ATRs are still decent. Very nice. Yeah, it looks like she went right through this. She went right through the supply level very easily. Ate that up, no problem. That's going to be tough to crack, yeah. Unless we can somehow crazy news now. Yeah, we live stream every day. Usually 9:15 to about market close. Welcome to the channel, Ailung. Yeah, I'm usually not here at nighttime because nighttime usually has the worst price action. But tonight, when we saw that 300-point drop, I was like, yeah, I got to get on here. Gotta spend some time with you guys. Imsky, what's going on? Thank you for joining us. Imsky is in the house. We hit 560. 560 just happens to be the low of our average daily range. Right to that level. VWAP is in its crosshairs. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, guys. I really appreciate all you guys coming through. We had almost 200 viewers and 1,600 views tonight, man. 112 likes. You guys are amazing, man. A bunch of new subscribers, I'm sure. God is good. Praise the Lord. And I pray that all of you guys are safe. All you guys are happy. And you find joy in your life with your family. Take care, guys. I really appreciate you. And I will see you tomorrow. Remember, there's more to life than just trading, guys. There's more to life than just trading. We're all blessed. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow.